Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm partnering with Seaweed Gel to try out their Unpolished Gel Mask Remover. This product removes regular polish, gel polish, and dip powder, and it's also 5-free, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and paraben-free. I'll be trying it out on all 3 types of nail product. First will be a glitter polish with a layer of top coat. I wanted to do glitter because I know how hard it can be to remove. I'm going to apply a generous layer all over the nail, so it's about 1/4 thick. The directions recommend to let it set for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I wiped off the product with a lint-free wipe, and everything pretty much came off in one swipe, which is awesome since glitter can be tough. Next, I'm trying it out on some gel. First, I'll be breaking the seal and removing as much shine as possible. If you have an e-file, you can use it too, since it would be a lot faster and easier than manually, but if not, this way is fine too. Now I'm applying another generous thick layer all over the nail. For gel, the directions say to let set for 3 to 4 minutes, remove, and then repeat the steps once or twice more for full removal. After 4 minutes, I remove the mask and buff the surface. I could tell the gel was starting to soften, so I added another layer of the gel mask and waited another 4 minutes. When I started to remove the mask this time, the gel began to fall off, with the rest coming off when I buffed. So now I'll be trying the gel mask on some dip powder. Same as before, you want to first break the seal and remove the shiny layer. Then go in with a generous layer of the gel mask. For dip powder, the directions say to wait 5 to 6 minutes, and you may have to repeat the steps 3 to 4 times for the full removal of product. After 6 minutes, I remove the mask, then buff the surface. I'm going to repeat the steps again, adding another layer and waiting 6 minutes. After this time, I noticed the dip softening more than before, so I buffed the nail and repeated the steps again. This time the dip was softening a lot more, but parts were still stuck after I buffed, so I went in one last time, applying the mask to the dip areas only. I removed it after 6 minutes and buffed the rest of the product off for the full removal. So that's it for the Seaweed Gel Unpolished Gel Mask Remover. I think this is a great alternative if you don't want to soak your nails in acetone, and I love how it easily wiped off my glitter polish. Let me know what you think and if you try out this product. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!